Thank you. Just thanks to everybody who was supportive and giving when we were making the picture. That's my phone, sorry. And you know who you are, whoever just sent me a message. And sorry to those on the film who had a tough time, because it was a tricky one. I hope we can be friends and work together again in the future. Thanks to Kelly and Shane, who are two fantastic young actors. And I'll just thank two other people specifically, because I don't want to leave anybody out, so I'll just leave everybody out. Thanks to McDara Kelleher, who's good job, Mac. Who, looking around, he's definitely the best looking producer in the room. And thanks to Mr. Perry. Bravo to you, sir. Cheers.